Hey everyone, how are you doing? Today I'm going to talk to you about how you can install a new extension called SD-CN Animation into Automatic 11 Webui. So before going further into installation, let me just show you the final outputs I've got. So this is the original video I have used. Here you can see that it's a pretty short video of 11 seconds. And here is the output I've got with a fairly simple prompt, right? Though the image is a bit blurry, it is giving, like if you want, you can add features like green hair and different kind of lipsticks and everything. So it is giving pretty good results with that, right? So this is the results I've got. So for installation, you have to go to the SD-CN animation repository, and they have shown an example of using realistic vision 2.0 to create results like this. So we can create them, but it is taking a fairly long amount of time, even with an GPU, to create results like this. So to install this, first you need to install ControlNet. To install ControlNet, just have I'll put all these links down in the description below. You don't have to worry about it. Just have to copy this link, go to your stable diffusion, automatic 11, go to extensions, go to install from URL, and paste this link. As I have already installed it, I'll get an error. So once you're done with that, then next go to SD Webui ControlNet. Also copy this. Now let's go to SD-CN Animation. Copy this link. Go to Automatic 11, and also now paste this link as well. And similarly, I'll get a same error because I have already installed this. So, and if you are facing any issue in SD-CN installation and you are getting an issue like this, index list out of range, I would either suggest you to restart your web UI, or actually just copy it and paste this code in virtual environment. It should fix that issue. I was also facing the same issue when I have installed it. So just let me know if you are facing that similar issue. So once you're done with it, you have to also download some ControlNet models. So I'll also put the link down in the description as well. So let me just get those models. ControlNet again 1.1 models Hugging Face, right? So there are a bunch of new models here. You just have to download anything you require. I would suggest you to download. For this, you have to download the tile.pth file. So to download it, open the file you require and just press download. And to where exactly you have to download is go to Webui tab, go to extensions, go to SD Webui ControlNet, and there go to models, and there you can put in the downloaded file. As I already have it, I'm not going to download it again. So similarly, for at least for this extension, I would suggest you to use the tile PDS file. If you're just going to use ControlNet normally, I would suggest you to download the canny and depth and all of these, as well, as these are really helpful for different scenarios, right? So we are almost done with the setup. Everything is done. So let's try generating a video with this. So I'm going to use a realistic vision model as they have mentioned. I'll also paste from where you can download the realistic vision model. So from Cvid AI, you can download the realistic vision model. I'll also put this link down in the description as well, so you don't have to worry about that. So let's go with video to video. So we are going to use a 1920 to 1080 video. So the video we are going to use would be, just give me a moment. Let me just check where it is. So this is the video we are going to use. Okay. So just drag and drop this here. We can put most of the functions as default. The width is okay, the height is okay. Change the sampling method. So mostly for Euler, for realistic vision, people either use Euler A or DP M2M SD caras, right? Either of these worked. The main settings are mostly fine as well. And for getting better results, you always has to use control net for this. So at least according to the documentation, you have to use the tile control net, right? The tile resample method, and you can just check the settings they have used, right? So you can see they have used the tile resample method. They kept the resize mode as just resize as well, right? So that's about it. Now it's fairly simple that you just have add what you want. So we are gonna just add, we need purple hair. And also I'm gonna just say we need it in watercolor painting style. And in the negative prompts, most of them are fine. If you want to add a few more things, you can just select any image you like and copy these negative prompts, right? So this should be more than enough. If you want to, you can mess up with the CFG scale, but at least with my testing, it is kind of messing up with the outputs. So we just have text extensively on what works and what doesn't work. Also tick this save folder so that, save frames, so that you can just refer to the frames what you are generating and just press generate. And you can see it is running right now. Yeah, so it is running right now, and you can see the images in Webui. Go to outputs. I'll get a new folder called SD-CN Animation, and in that you will get to video, in which you can now directly see all the images that are being generated. So this is the first image which was generated. I mean, this looks okay. If you don't exactly like it, you can redo it. But for the example purpose, this looks fairly interesting. So yeah, and you can see how much time it's gonna take to process the output as well. So for this 10-second video, it is taking around an hour time. I am sure it will improve tremendously in the future, but at least for now, this is gonna take a long time. So yeah, that's about it, guys. I'm just keeping it fairly simple. I will show the output in a different demo. So for now, this is all it is. It's fairly simple to use SD-CN animation. This extension was released a long time ago, but it seems that the video to video part is working right now, like very recently. So yeah, if you have any queries, just let me know. And I hope you could subscribe to my channel. And also, if you want to collaborate with me, you can ping me on LinkedIn or mail me. I'll put all of the details down in the description as well. I hope you guys have a great day. And yeah, just share what kind of results you are generating. And if you face any queries, just let me know. Have a great day then.